Hey girlfriends, so today is what, National Sun's Day or Sun's Day? Anyhow, March 4th, 2021. Look it up on the calendar. And in celebration of Sun's Day, I'm gonna play a practical joke on my kids. And I'm gonna say yes to everything that they ask me today. And I'm gonna take you along for the little ride. Who do you think will win? Me or the boys? Or will the boys notice or won't they? Let's see. Alright, before we get this day started, I'm actually going to make the boys breakfast. I typically do this pretty much every day. And it's something that I truly believe in, that kids should be eating hot and healthy breakfast every morning. And that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to make some brioche French toast, some eggs, and strawberries. And then I'm going to, should I let them eat in their room? I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then we'll get into like, yes day. Okay, I'm about to take this upstairs to Isaiah so that he can eat breakfast. And I'm gonna ask him, is there anything else that you need from me, son? And he's probably gonna look at me super, super weird because that's something I typically wouldn't ask. Let's see, hold on. Hey, son. I'm here to serve you breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome, son. Is there anything else that you need from me?
Some water.
Some water? Okay, son, I can go get you some water. Whatever you need. Okay, I'm here for you. Did you plan on going to school today?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna clean this up? Okay, clean up your room before.
I need something too. I heard you.
What?
How you gonna ask him? I got whatever you need.
Is there anything else that you want, Xavier? Is there something that you want?
I need some Chick-fil-A for my gift card.
Okay. Cool. Chick-fil-A from your gift card. Gotcha. Okay, so you just saw that Isaiah took full advantage of me. Isaiah took full advantage of me, and then Xavier, you saw that he was like, well, how come you're asking him what he wants? Da, 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 da. So maybe, just maybe, they'll figure out that I'm being super nice today. Not that I'm not a nice parent, but I'm going above and beyond today. I can't wait to see if they figure this out. Here goes your water, son.
Thank you, bro.
Now this is Xavier's. Here you go, Xavier. Is there anything else that you need? Are you sure? Here, take your breakfast, son.
It's a National Students Day or whatever.
No.
Yes, it is, because I remember you told me. Stop playing video games.
No.
Thank you.
No. Whoa. Be careful, son. No, I just woke up early. I'm like, I read in Proverbs 31 about the Proverbs woman. And she does everything with grace and wisdom.
Stop the cat right now.
Okay? That's what happens. Yes.
I was wondering if I could transfer money to you in return for V-Bucks.
Transfer money to me. Why can't you buy V-Bucks with that card?
I need your permission.
Okay, so if I give you my permission to buy V-Bucks, can't you just go buy V-Bucks?
Yeah.
Why don't we do that? How do you like your lunch, Isaiah?
Good. Thank you.
Is there anything else that you need, son? You're all set up?
Please give me more sauce.
More sauce? Unfortunately, you can't because there's only 2 left for Exie.
Only have one.
Yeah, they don't. That's it. Otherwise, I would totally say yes to you.
I understand.
Here goes your lunch, Xavier.
Thank you.
Just like you asked for a Chick-fil-A. Here you go. Don't spill it. Here's some napkins for you. Oh, yeah. Is there anything else that you need, Xavier?
The sauce. The sauce, baby.
No, give him the other sauce now.
Dude, I only have one sauce.
No, give him.
You need, only have one sauce.
Here you go, Xavier. He likes 2 sauces.
I like 2 sauces.
Anything else? You good? Just let me know if you need something, okay?
I need video games.
You need video games? Okay. You could play video games for an hour. I said yes. Look at that. Hi guys. All right, we're back. It's the end of the day, and now I'm gonna go to the boys' rooms and ask them if they figured that something was up and if they even noticed that I said yes to pretty much everything that they said. Well, not pretty much, to everything that they asked me today. All right, so let's check in with Isaiah. I did something to you guys today.
Please.
Okay.
Send me the Spider-Man.
Oh my gosh, you stink. Like, honestly, truly. Okay, Isaiah, did you notice, today that I said yes to everything that you asked me? Did you notice that?
No.
You didn't notice? I played a prank on you today. I was extra nice.
Oh.
I was extra nice, and I said yes to everything that you asked. You didn't even notice, did you?
No, I didn't notice.
So am I just like a nice mom in general?
Yes.
I can't believe you didn't notice. This was supposed to be the prank of the year.
Yeah, I didn't notice.
Okay, so maybe I am a nice mom and I do a lot for the kids. Maybe I say yes more often than what I think I do. I can't believe you didn't notice. Don't do that. Say goodnight to the folks. All right, so that's from the team. Now let's see if Xavier noticed. Okay, now I'm here in Xavier's room. And Xavier, I have something to tell you. Today I played a prank. I said yes to everything that you asked me. Did you notice that? I played a prank on you.
You did?
Did you notice? I said yes.
Well,
We
guess
were at
what?
home.
Guess what?
What?
They ain't over yet. And I
What?
play video games for the rest of the week.
Oh no, the prank's over. That's why I'm closing out the video. See that? See that? But did you notice I said yes? The kids, they didn't even notice that I said yes, which means
You
that
said it was National Children's Day.
It's not National Children's Day today. It's nothing today. It's literally nothing today.
Then when's National Children's Day?
I don't know. I don't even know if that's like a made up holiday. I don't even know. But today is not national anything. No Kids Day, no Sun's Day. Today is a normal day. And I pranked you. You just got pranked. Okay? Well, maybe, just maybe. I know the kids think I say no all the time. But if they didn't notice a difference today, maybe, just maybe.
I noticed the difference.
I don't
You
say
said yes
no.
to Chick-fil-A and stuff, so I was confused. I was like, eh. You told me it was National Children's Day.
I told you that like a few weeks ago, but seriously, today is nothing. I just decided to prank you. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. And I just want to say, if you have a son, it's a great thing. So happy National, well, I think it's called, I'm going to get the name right. You know, I'm new to this vlogging thing, but it's Son's Day. Happy Son's Day to you. And I hope that you enjoyed
but you just said
me
it
and
isn't.
my sons. I know. Today, technically, it's March 3rd. Okay? tomorrow, March 4th, is Sun's Day.
Okay.
So, but I'm filming this and it's going to post to YouTube. So you guys are seeing this on March 4th, Sun's Day. So technically, it's not Sun's Day today. I told the truth.
Okay.
Okay.
So you treat me like
Okay.
something today, so there's two
Okay,
Sundays.
no, there's only one Sun's Day. We celebrated Sun's Day a day early. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw today and you liked the family, let me know in the comments if you liked today's video, if you want to see more of myself and the boys, if you liked the recipe earlier too, the French toast recipe, let me know if you like that because I have a few more recipes that I can share. I'm not a chef, but I do have some cool things that I think would help you moms and anybody really who's like trying to have quick meals that are healthy and clean. I'm really good at that. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you liked today's video. Let me know if you want to see more of us or if you just like the video. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye girlfriends.
Share the video.
Oh yeah, share the video. There you go. Share the video, subscribe, post notifications, all that. All right. Bye, girlfriends.